Creating a YouTube channel is a simple process. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Number 1. Sign into your Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a new one by watching our video. Video link is in description. Number 2. Go to YouTube. Once you have signed into your Google account, go to YouTube website www.youtube.com. Number 3. Click on your profile picture. In the top right corner of the YouTube homepage, you will see your profile picture. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Number 4. Click on Create a Channel. In the drop-down menu, click on Create a Channel to start the process of creating your YouTube channel. Number 5. Choose a name of your channel. You will be prompted to enter a name of your channel. This name will be visible to everyone who visits your channel. So choose something that represents you and your brand. Number 6. Add a channel icon. Upload a profile picture or channel icon that represents your channel. This can be a photo of yourself, your company logo, or something else that is relevant to your channel. Number 7. Customize your channel. You can add a channel banner, description, and other customization to make your channel look more professional and appealing. Number 8. Start uploading videos. Once you have created your channel, you can start uploading videos. Click on the upload button to add videos from your computer or mobile device. Congratulations, you have successfully created a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.